Welcome! In front of me I have Xlyne Siona XW Fit watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the XWEAR application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app by tapping on the icon. Once you open the application, you can tap on the watch icon in the top right corner to open the device menu. Here you can tap on the Siona watch to open the device page for it, and now you can scroll all the way down, find the option called cancel pairing, and as you can see, the watch was unpaired. Now we can close the application. We can open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth option, find the Siona watch, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to disconnect it from our iPhone. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.